It's all the handles. These are all the texture roller I picked up from MKM at the National Conference, NCCA. The full name is NCCA, National Council on Education for the Ceramics Art. We use my handle to hook it on. To be able to do that, you need to find the center and then use a screw to lock it in here, so the screw with the handle together, you can roll more freely. So stuff, I designed it to find the center easier. First, you need to find something that the pencil or pen for the tip of the pencil to be approximately the same height of your center. Okay, it doesn't need to be exact. And we're going to use that to mark several lines, and then when the line curls, and you will be able to find the center. And if the pencil is not very clear, you can use the marker to do that. And to raise it up, you can use anything that raises your tip of your pen or pencil. I find the cap of the bottle is very useful, and you just use a knife to cut it, and then your piece is sitting right there on the cap. And you can use a tape to tape it, just like this one, tape to tape it so it's in position. Doesn't move, and then all you need to do is just go cross, 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 and cross. Okay, so let me do a demonstration on how to do that. So this one here, hold it in position and you move first line here, and then you turn second line, and then you turn third, and just keep on going until it's all the line is focused on the same spot. So it's all point right here. There's a little circle there because this is not exactly on the very center, so there will be a circle, and then there's a small circle in the center. That small circle is the center part, and then all you need to do is just either use a needle tool to punch a hole here, okay, right in the center, so that this will be the driving hole for your screw to go from there. Okay, so use either a needle, or I have a special tool that I made it for this function, and you just go there and then you punch it. So now I find the center here, and for this part here, I guess there's already engraving here, so sometimes it's very hard to find it. And if that's the case, you can use a piece of clay. Just go rub the clay on it to fill in that little gap. Just put the clay there and then just rub it on. And wait until the clay dries. After clay dry, you can use the pencil to mark it too. Right now, that the very center is that there's a white point there, so that is the center. And then you just use the puncher or the needle tool to punch right there, and this will help the screw to go in there. So that is the center, and that is center. And then just get the screw, the smaller screw. If you buy the handle from me, that I will include several screws to go with it. Even the hole is not in the very center, you can still roll your roller easily. It's just that finding the center is much better experience. But even it's not in a very perfect center, it's totally okay too. It's just showing you that way to find the center. And then you drive the screw in. Right, so that is the setup of the screw, and then all you need to do is just get the handle I designed it, and get one side to hook it up, put your hand here to hold it in position right there, and then this is very flexible, so all you need to do is just pull this until it's locked in here together, and that's it. And now you can roll your rotor easily, freely. You can roll from one wall to the other wall without limit of the length of your hand, your palm, or the paddles. So this is what this tool, the handle, is all about. Okay, and then after that, I will use one of them to do my demonstration on making small objects. There's HR, BHR, and then LHR. That is the size, the length, different length of the rotors. LHR 200 millimeters. HR 100 millimeters. BHR 120 millimeters. LHR 200 millimeters. And I have 3 sizes of the length for the length of the rotor, the texture rotor HR. And I also have 2 different handle type. One is stainless handle and one is a wooden handle. So total I have 5 sizes and handle type for my design. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.